She called my attention to it, so I decided to go and check it out. Boss, yeah, youth, I ride a bike in and out of the parking lot. It looks suspicious, and people are pass. Maybe my thief.
You want to find out where I do on the compound?
You know, I approach him and blow my cover. You can reach out to Mackay.
Alright, let me do that now.
Alright then.
Just as I suspected. As an agent, you always have to be on the alert. The youth did I try something, and Mackay was right on time. Thanks, Mackay. That wasn't the only incident we had for the day. It seems somebody was lurking behind the trees at the end of the parking lot. It's a good thing Whisper was being thorough and alert. Him noticed the movements and decided to go and check it out. Undercover style. And if you know Whisper, him gonna take care of things as discreet and as effective as he can. After taking care of the situation, you know who him come to.
Boss, the Mackay gone already?
Yeah, him all up on the youth and gone.
You think him reach far?
Me no know. Is what happened.
Call him back for me. Tell him say me have a package on our Mackay parking lot set up for him.
Package. Whisper where you do.
Just somebody come over the fence and we just deal with him.
Anybody see what one?
No, nobody never see me.
Are you sure everything alright?
Yeah man, boss, everything good man.
McCoy, how far you reach? Me need you to turn back and pick up something in the parking lot for me. And that was our Carnival Road match day. But all in all, it was a good day.
Listen, Elaine. You will speak to me like the adult I am.
Well, stop acting like a child.
Because I don't agree with you on everything. I am not your lucky. That's Miss Brissett and her team, not me.
They understand the vision of this place. You don't.
No, I don't. You want to ghettoize this place and I won't help you to do that. I will continue to manage in the way that I see fit. And the fact that I was not employed by you, you don't have the power to fire me.
You're feeling very high and mighty, aren't you, Miss Saunders?
Oh, I am doing my job for this establishment. That's what I'm doing. The things you and your team is doing is more about hype rather than substance.
You don't know anything about substance. You pop in and out of this place as if you are running things. But I am writing a letter to the board about your tardiness and your lack of support.
And that's supposed to scare me? Let me tell you this. I can write letters too. Right.